Good day, everybody. Brian here, July 20th, 21:38 p.m. Eastern Time. This video, we're going to talk about the latest forex pairs I'm able to generate from interactive brokers. Okay, this is not a WAN that I used to use. It's interactive brokers. This is one of the strongest I've seen yet at Sharpe ratio of 4. These are various cross forex pair a trading basket that's done very well. You can see here since January. This is the #1 way to make money in the markets, even if you factor in crypto. Okay, so there's quite a few. There's about 10 different forex pairs, and again, these are using from interactive brokers. Now these are basically buy and hold. Let me just show you the drawdown. Well, you can see in the chart, it's fairly smooth. It's gotten much less volatile since around April. Here, the drawdown is pretty, max drawdown, -31. That might scare people off, but the net, as I've said before, monthly returns is what matters. 26% up in March, 45% in April. May, okay, it was not a strong month, 33.42 return, and 45% for June, and already in July 18%, and we're about the 20th. So this might actually end up being about a 30% return for the month of July. That's pretty strong. If you want to know more, all you need to do is go to quantlabs.net/portfolio, get your name, number. We can evaluate your portfolio. For that, we can see which ones are the dogs. This is forward guidance, forward looking, and we can take a look at it. Again, quantlabs.net/portfolio. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.